Here's how to recover your account in FC Mobile. Open FC Mobile and create a temporary guest account if you can't access your original one. Once you're in the game, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Then select Link Accounts. If your lost account was previously linked to an EA account, Google Play, Game Center, Facebook, or another supported service, sign in using the same account you originally linked. If the account is recognized, your game progress will be restored automatically. If you still can't recover your account, go back to Settings and open Customer Service. Search for Recover, Account, or Lost Progress to open the relevant help article. Follow the instructions provided to see if your account can be restored. If the article doesn't solve the issue, select the option to contact support or chat with us. Choose the category related to account recovery or lost account, then provide as much information as possible, including your player ID if you have it, your username, the device you played on, and the date you lost access. This helps the support team verify ownership and recover your account more quickly. Keep an eye on your email for updates or additional verification requests from EA support. That's all for this video. Thanks.